Hi guys, in today's class we will run one image and we will check it. Okay, this is the Docker image Ashok ID slash springboot hyphen rest hyphen API. Okay, Docker pull command. Let me pull the image first. Let us check first whether the image is there or not. Docker images. Hello world. Okay, let me pull this image first. Docker pull this image. Okay, this is the image in Docker Hub. Right now I'm pulling that image. It's downloading. Okay, now check Docker images. So image is downloaded right now. So next we will run this image. We will run this image. Docker run hyphen p. Hyphen p means we are doing the port mapping between the container and the host. 9090 colon, that is the host port. Now I am giving the container port 9090 hyphen d. We are running this image in detached mode. Okay, now give the image name. Enter. So image is downloaded right now. Right now this is running right now. This application is this container is running. Let me check that container. Docker ps. It is running in the detached mode. If you go and check Docker ps, Docker container will be running. Docker ps means active containers will be displayed right now. See, this is the container right now. It is in up, status is up. That means this is running right now. See, port is showing 909 9090. Okay, and this is the port. So next what we have to do, now we need to open the, in browser we have to open the port number 9090 host port. Go to the security, scroll down, security groups, edit inbound rules, add rules. The port number is, host port number is 9090. We have to give the host port number, access from anywhere, save rules. Okay, now you go to EC2 and take that public IP. What is the public IP of Docker? This is the IP. Colon, the port number is 9090. White label error. The application has no explicit mapping for error, so you are setting this as a fallback. Okay, we have to give this one, I think. 1 second. Slash welcome slash Durga. See here, Durga, welcome to Ashok IT. Okay, this is the image. We run the application, so it's showing like that. So if we change that name now, suppose it is Ram, it will give this like this, it will give. So what we did right now, we have we have pulled one image. We have pulled one image from the Docker hub, and we downloaded that image. After that, what I did, after that, I have given the command docker images. So the download image is showing here. This is the image. It got downloaded. After that, docker run -p, again port mapping we did between docker host and container. -d is detached mode, and the image I have given, and this is running in the detached mode. Okay. After that, we given docker ps. It right now that container is running active. It is up and running. After that, I went to AWS, and I opened the port 9090 host port 9090 in the security, and I given that public IP colon 9090 slash welcome ram. Okay. Next, I want to do one more thing. I want to run docker run -p 80:80. Let me first stop this container first. Docker stop. What is the container ID? Container ID this one. We will stop this one. So if you go and check here, it will not work because I stopped the container, right? So let me. I want docker run -p 9090:80 -d. I want to give nginx. Okay, let me run this image. I want to run nginx image on the host port number is 9090, and container port I given 80, and the image name is nginx. -d is the, it will run in detached mode. -b is port mapping. Let me run this one. Sorry, running. It is downloading from the Docker hub, and let me check Docker images. So nginx also it downloaded, and let me check in the Docker ps. It is running. It is up. See, this is the nginx image. It is up right now. So let me check this one right now. Go to browser. Now you run this one, and see, this is the home page of the nginx. Welcome to nginx. Like this, I run two applications. First one is the it is some other application, other Spring Boot application. It is, sorry, this Spring Boot application. Now I run the nginx. So once I run the nginx image, we run with that IP colon 9090 port number, host port number. It is showing the home page of that one. Thank you guys. Thank you very much.